Yeah, welcome back to the channel. A new day, a new problem. The Lexus RX400 hybrid has a power boot opener. I have a button here. You should push it and you should get two beeping noises and it should start opening. That's not working from the controller. Then you have a button inside the car. You have a button here, power door. Nothing happened, it's dead. The first you should do then, they say, is go and reset, and that is on the passenger side. Inside the glove box, beside the glove box. Very difficult to say here now. Have to feel it. Under here we have a button. That button should be pushed in. So power rear door. Now it was pushed out. I pushed it in again. That is supposed to kind of a reset. As we hear, absolutely no reaction. So it's dead. And then, what's the next we check then? Fuses. And when I was checking on the net for fuses, it's at least 3 different fuses that come up to say power door. But a lot of other systems for the other fuses, I see it right away, it's working. So I can't see anything. So I have to find a bigger main fuse, maybe. That's supposed to be in the engine department. So then we have to go on and open here. PDB 30 amp. It's a big sucker. Here I see I have point for putting on plus power. Supposed to be this fuse, I think. From what I can see from here, I don't see anything that tells me that that one is blown. I have to use this one. Then I can go with a voltmeter just to check it, to be 100%. If the fuse is blown, it's not going to get connection at all. The fuse is okay. Like I was seeing when I was just looking at them, this seems to be okay. The fuse that's supposed to be power door PBD is okay. Then it could be worse. It could be the engine that's lifting that's wrong, or it could be some other sensoring. I have to try to get the back door open from inside to see what's happening. Take one more measure here. I completely disconnect the 12-volt battery. there. Connecting back the battery. Not that I believe that it's going to fix it, but at least I have tried. Lock the car, unlock the car. Okay. Damn. Damn. The car is starting to get too much computer. It's reset. Okay, lucky days, but thank you. Thank you. One less problem. Yeah, welcome back. The car start to be too much computer. A lot of problem is just kill off the power and it may be a start again. Okay, we learn. No, the way roads are dirty, I had to put on Windows washer fluid in there anyway. So, thank you.